Now, when we study plastic surgery, we consider the nose as the heart of the face. Now, what does this mean? Mainly, it is because the nose is the center of attraction to any face in this world. So, an improved nose gives you an improved appearance. Now, what can we do for your nose? Now, the most commonly approached questions which we get from patients are, one is a deviated nose. So it's very common. You can have a C-shaped deviation, you can have an S-shaped deviation. Depending on that, the patient may have a difficulty in breathing. They may have a breathing difficulty, especially during allergies. It could be a cosmetic problem. So this is the most common reason why patients approach us. The second one is a hump. So if you look at the patient from the side, they might have a little hump here, the nose. So this can easily be treated. This is the second most common reason why patients approach us. The third is if there's any slight asymmetry. I mean, like, let's say if one nostril is bigger than the other, or if the nose looks slightly larger on one side. So this is one of the reasons why patients consult. Next is a very wide and a bulky nose. So we have techniques in which we can make your nose look narrower and slimmer. We can improve the tip definition so that you have a more defined tip. These are the multiple ways in which we can improve the appearance of your nose. So let us know. It's a daycare procedure. We come in the morning, leave the next day morning. If you may, you can leave the same evening if you'd like. But it's a daycare procedure and it's absolutely permanent.